Hi everybody, welcome to my channel. This is my very first YouTube video. I wanted to do like an everyday type of makeup look for my first video, just to kind of like get to know me and my makeup, if that even makes sense. I'm very excited for me starting this YouTube channel. I have been saying for the longest time, like if you know me, you know I've been saying I wanted to start a YouTube channel just because I love doing like makeup videos. I don't plan on just doing makeup videos. I want to do like lifestyle videos, like hacks, like maybe even cook once in a while, like decorate. I want to do literally anything that I want to do. So please stay tuned for that. Give me recommendations, videos that you think I should do. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, support me in this. And if you want to see how I did this look, then keep watching. Okay, first I'm going to be putting my hair out of my face. Now that my hair is out of my face, I'm going to prep my skin. I already like moisturized and put like SPF. Always put on SPF if you're not on that wagon yet. So since I already have that all on my face, I'm just gonna go in with spray. I'm gonna go in with the Badescu spray. I'm gonna take my fan. I got this in Cancun. I'm gonna be going in with Miss Rihanna's Fenty foundation. This is the original matte one. I am very oily. Fun fact about me. I like to do half of the face at a time. I feel like that's just better for the products that you're using. Because sometimes like it dries down before you have a chance to blend it. And a tip I do have when doing your makeup, just to keep your like room and your area clean, like as you're using the makeup, like put it away like when you're done with it. I swear it makes such a difference. I'm gonna be going in with concealer. I'm gonna be using the Milani Conceal and Perfect concealer. I really like this concealer. It reminds me a lot of the Kylie concealer. I'm in the shade 135 medium beige, if that matters at all. And then with the concealer that I have left on this beauty blender, I go in on my eyelids. I kind of like tilt back my head. I've been using Kylie's powder. I really like her powder. My absolute favorite powder ever is the Laura Mercier OG. And I do think this is a good comparison to that, to be honest. So my lids is the first thing that I set. Because then if I do this, I would have already had a crease if I didn't powder that. I'm going to be taking some under my eyes. I take some powder on the same small brush, and I like to powder my whole forehead. So I don't go in with the like big powder brush on my forehead because I've already powdered it with this. Now with my powder brush from Real Techniques. Oh, actually this is a blush brush from Real Techniques, but it's a great powder brush for all your face. All I have to do is like my cheeks, like the bottom of my face, because I already powdered the rest. For bronzer, I've been using this like since summer, even hit pan. I love this bronzer. This is in the shade Private Island. I've been liking to use this E4 as my bronzer slash contour. Okay, now for blush, I'm going to be taking this Rimmel Maxi Blush in the shade Sweet Cheeks 004. I love this blush. This is from Rimmel. This is honestly like the only product from Rimmel that I have. I love blush. I go heavy on the blush. So I take my E4, the best blush brush that I've tried thus far, the E4 from Morphe. So what I do is I put a lot of product. So I pack on the product on there. I barely tap it, and all of that product goes on my cheek. I press it and then kind of like press and sweep like very quickly, and like these motions. such a pretty everyday color. Okay, and for eyes, I don't do eyeshadow. I use my same bronzer on my lids to give it like a wash of color. This is for like an everyday look. I use eyeshadow. Let me clear that up. For like an everyday glam, I usually just take like my bronzer. This is like an Amazon brush. I really love this. I use it every day. And I just put it like as a transition shade. And I put that like all over. I do it really messily. Don't have to be precise at all, especially because it's like a big fluffy brush, which is what I love about it. And you see that that gives it color. You see the difference. And just use that same brush. I'm not adding more product on it. But I'm just going down my nose. This is how I contour. Just take this excess product and go down my nose just to give it that like shadow, and then down here as well. And that's it. I do think those small subtle details make a difference. Moving on to eyebrows. I do my eyebrows after foundation. I know this is a big controversial topic, if I may. A lot of people like to do it before, some people do it after. Comment down below what you do. I do brows after, and it may be because I don't do much to my brows, so I do kind of want to say it's that, but I just prefer to do it after. I like to take this Anastasia brow gel. I do want to try new brow gels though. Like, I love trying new makeup and discovering new makeup and stuff, so I'm always open to suggestions. I really like this. I need to get a new one because I'm running out, but this is in the shade medium brown. So I just kind of, and this adds a lot of color to me. Like, if you just saw that, like, that gave a lot of color right there. But it's also not too much to where you can't wipe it off. Like, if it's too much on top or something, like, I'll just wipe it off with my finger. And just to kind of like clean that up a little bit, I guess make it a little bit more neater, I'm going to be taking this like brow angled brush, just kind of brushing through that product. And that's all I just do my brows. So now I'm going to be curling my eyelashes. Now I'm going to be taking my telescopic mascara. I just put on a little mascara. I don't need a lot. I do wear lashes every day, like on the daily. Like, I don't say I don't go like a day without them, because I do, but lashes just bring the whole look together. Long pretty lashes look good on like everybody. Name me a person it doesn't look good on. I'll wait. I'm going to be taking my Miss Lash. This is in the style M302A. They are the best lashes, and at the beauty supply store they're only like $4 literally, and they're such good quality lashes. They last you forever too. I've tried a few lash glues in my lifetime, which I don't mean to exaggerate that at all. I only a few for real. But this is my absolute favorite lash glue that I've ever tried. I've tried like the other duo one. I've tried some Kiss ones. I've tried the Aloe one that the lashes sometimes come with, which I don't know if that makes a difference, but I don't like that one either. Elite. Okay, now I think it's gotten appropriately tacky. I'm gonna apply this. I set it down kind of at the middle first, and then go to the outside one and try to connect it, and then connect the inner corner. Moving on to bottom mascara, I'm going to be taking my telescopic mascara. I have one layer of bottom mascara. I'm gonna go ahead and add another one. I love the long bottom lashes. I've seen that people get like extensions on their bottom lashes, which I think is so cool. I definitely want to try that. I used to get extensions on my lashes all the time, but since I've been really into like falsies, and I can actually put them on now because I really used to not be able to. For my lips, I'm going to be taking MAC Strip Down. MAC's lip liners, the best lip liners I've ever tried. I love their formula. I love everything about them. This is my favorite type of nude. So I'm just gonna be taking my lip liner and aligning my lips. I actually use this for all over my lips. This is what lipstick is for me. Sometimes I do, like, you know, actually use lipstick and stuff, but for like an everyday look, I prefer to just align it completely with strip down and call it a day. I kind of just go over the line that's already there and blur it out a little bit. Okay, so you see how that plumped up my lips a little. I'm just gonna set my whole face with the Perfecting Setting Spray Long Lasting from Kiss, aka the beauty supply store. I love this. It really is good. I really think sprays are not vital, but they make a difference in like making all of the products like sink into your skin beautifully, all mixed together. So this completes my everyday makeup glam. Thank you so much for watching. Please like this video, subscribe to my channel, comment down below, follow me everywhere. Please stick by me with this new journey. I plan on it growing more and growing bigger, being successful, all of that. I'm going to put that out there. I'm going to manifest the success of this channel. Thank you so much. So yeah, I really enjoyed doing this, and hopefully I will stay consistent. And now I'm gonna be trying to figure out how to edit, because I think that is probably like my major obstacle in this like YouTube thing. So wish me luck, and I hope y'all all have a great day, night, whatever it is, whenever you're watching this, and I hope you all the best.